Welcome to Management Fundas. Subject Logistic and Supply Chain Management. Subtopic Objective of Logistics. In terms of logistics system, design and administration, each firm must simultaneously achieve at least 6 different operational objectives. These operation objectives, which are primary determinants of logistical performance, include rapid response, minimum variance, minimum inventory, movement consolidation, quality improvement and life cycle support. Each objective is briefly discussed. Rapid response. Rapid response is concerned with a firm's ability to satisfy customer requirement in a timely manner. It refers to the ability of a firm to respond to the customer order in the shortest possible time. Information technology has increased the capability to postpone logistical operation to the shortest possible time and then accomplish rapid delivery of required inventory. This result is eliminations of excessive inventories which were traditionally stocked in anticipation of customer requirement. Minimum variance. Variance refer to the difference between the actual logistic performance and the expected logistical performance. Variance is any unexpected event that disturbs system performance. Variance may result from any aspect of logistical operation such as delay in expected time of customer order receipt, an unexpected disruption in production, good arriving at the customer location in damaged condition, delivery of an incorrect location, all result in a time disruption in operation that must be resolved. Delivery of incorrect goods, etc. Such practices give their expenses and associate risk have been replaced by using information technology to achieve positive logistic control. To the extent that variance are minimized, logistical productivity improves as a result of economical operation. Thus, a basic objective of overall logistical performance is to minimize variation. For example, McDonald's dominance maintain same taste of burger and pizza to satisfy their customers. Minimum inventory. The success of an organization to a large extent depend upon how well they manage their inventory level. Moreover, inventory is associated with the huge baggage of costs such as transportation cost, warehousing cost, material handling cost, etc. An increasing in level of inventory will lead to an increase in all associated cost and vice versa. This one of the objectives of logistics is to reduce inventory to the lowest possible level consistent with achieving customer service goals at the lowest overall logistic cost. Movement consolidation. Movement consolidation is concerned with transportation cost. Transportation is the biggest contributor to logistical cost. One of the most significant logistical costs is transportation. Transportation cost is directly related to the type of product, size of shipment and distance. To reduce transportation costs, it is desirable to achieve movement consolidation. As a general rule, the larger the overall shipment and the longer the distance it is transported, the lower the transportation cost per unit. This requires innovative programs to group small shipment for consolidation movement. Movement consolidation is planning several such small shipment together of different type of shipment by integrating interest of several players in the supply chain. Generally, large shipment size and long distance reduce transportation cost per unit. Movement consolidation shall result into reduction in transportation cost. You can see some of the example of movement consolidation, how the shipment has been done for the bulk production. These are the examples. You can see the waterway, railways and roadways. Quality improvement. A fifth logistical objective is to seek continuous quality improvement. Total quality management has become a major commitment throughout all features of industry. Logistics is the primary part of developing and maintaining continuous total quality management improvement. When quality of product fail, the product need to be removed out of a customer premises and fresh shipment need to be made again. This adds to the cost of transportation. Thus, reworking a customer order on account of incorrect shipment or damage in transit is far more expensive than performing it right in the first time. Logistics can play a significant role in total quality improvement by improving the quality of logistic performance continuously and continually. Life cycle support. The final logistical design objective is life cycle support. A company has to support a product not only while selling it, but it has also to give a good service after sales, and in some cases support the product when it is being disposed of. In some countries, it is mandatory for the manufacturer to support the product when it is being disposed. Example, in European countries, they have to ensure a proper disposal of electronic goods like laptop. After sales service, this includes service support needed by a product once it is sold. For example, warranties, guarantee, repair and maintenance, etc. Reverse logistics. Reverse logistics involve the process of moving a product from its point of consumption to the point of origin. It involves flow of goods and service from a customer to the company. Thus, it is a situation wherein flow of goods and service is reserved. As they are streaming the 5 R's of reverse logistics: return, recalls, repair, repackaging and recycling. For example, H&M is a clothing brand and it has used the concept of reverse logistics an innovative way. H&M expects old clothes of not only H&M brand but of any brand. They use the used cloth to create their all recycled clothing line. Conclusion. The objective of an ideal logistics system is to ensure flow of supply to the buyer in correct quantity at a desired location at required time at usable condition at the lowest total cost. Thus, the objective encompasses efforts to coordinate physical distribution and material management, to offer best service to customer, to reduce cost of operation, to maintain transparency in operation. So, these are the 6 objectives of a logistic, which is very requirement, and this is one of the important topic of the logistic. I hope you understand the concept. So that's all in today's session. With a lot of positive vibe, signing off. For more management concepts, please subscribe to Management Funda's channel. Thank you.